In today's modern world, almost every product has been commercialized and people sort for products that are more natural and cheaper instead. Pens nowadays are greatly used by many people, almost everyone carry out on their belongings. Maybe because they are handy yet very useful. Whenever you need to jot down something, you just grab it and start writing. For students, it is must have because they will use it every day. As there are many pens in the market for use but having some disadvantages as ink gets dried from the ink pen and gets submerged after some times. Apart from that, some pens are not user friendly, so we're gonna make a luxurious pen which is reliable and user friendly. For the market research, according to market, pen contributes CAGR of 77.8% in the market and overall writing instruments having more than 35% contribution in the income. These days, luxurious instruments, majorly pen, are having major influence among customers as in Europe, North America, Japan, China and other EMEA regions. According to normalized income, pen are having 78.3 million and 12.5% contribution in the overall market.
The next step in development of pen was to start generating ideas by drawing rough sketches, which was further refined to initial concept. Also, various prototypes were created in order to improve the design and consider any new challenges. Moreover, an empathy experiment was conducted to observe the qualities such as design, weight, smoothness of different pen brands. This experiment gave the user a better chance to understand the product on various parameters. Finally, after this, each team member started working on the individual module. These models were compared on various parameters using selection metrics, and one was finalized for further study.
Designing a pen model required many parameters to be considered. Initially, sketches were used to model the part in the Fusion software. To make the pen more attractive, we gave Veronic patterns on the body of the pen. Also, the important factors include sleek design without compromising the strength of the body. The design was modified several times to accommodate the tolerances and overall dimensions.
We have prototyped our pen 3 to 4 times, but every time we are facing some issue, like due to the low thickness of the barrel, so we have increased it. Like we are facing the problem in the assembly, or even we can't get the proper support, so we are trying it in the vertical direction to prototype our pen and check how it goes. We also brainstorm for the pen holder design and what can be improved in the design. So we have done the brainstorm and get to one conclusion, but with that we have prepared the what else can be done, how it can be improved or maybe look good. So we are just discuss and come to the conclusion to prepare a unique pen. Even if in the earlier stage we are just getting the small facing the problem while we are prototyping the pen horizontally.
We have using some technical research. There are many technologies out there nowadays for 3D printing in industries. Some are laser sintering, selective laser melting and a 3D printing. From these we use the 3D printing because 3D printing is quite effective and a cost effective method used to print the material just like to be in the 3D structure. It is a process of joining materials under the control of computer to get 3D structure. It is basically a rapid prototyping method used for designing a material, and it is basically done by the CAD software.
While considering the material, we have some options like aluminum, titanium and ABS. But as per the design requirement, we are using the titanium as it gives the good mechanical properties. Like it is a corrosion resistance, it is light in weight, it's also offered the least time of 7 working days. So it covers all the major factors to produce a stronger and robust design pen.
As our pen represents Deakin University and Melbourne, we took inspiration from Southern Cross Station and KE building of Deakin University. Both the buildings had parametric design, and we also decided to add the same design to our holder and a pen. It helped us in reducing the weight of a pen and its holder without losing the strength. Many other things were also considered while designing the final model of the pen. We took feedback from Adrian over our final design, for which he listed few modifications which were updated later. So a 50mm by 50mm holder was designed with parametric design and branding of Deakin University at its base. A pen with dual-edge parameter design was made. While considering the dimensions of the refill, we wanted to make sure that we have a working model by end of this project. Stress, displacement and temperature analysis were conducted on Abacus CAE for engineering considerations. Strength, durability and long life cycle of the pen was ensured by validating the results of all analyses.
So after learning from numerous iterations, we present you a unique pen design and holder, inspired from various structural marvels. An elegant pen design manufactured for consumers to write. A pen designed to promote Deakin University globally and build relationships. This design also gives this product competitive advantage over the existing products available in the market. Further, the team is looking forward to refine the product by adding stylus at the rear end to use for digital interactive purposes.